Welcome back to Saltwater Stories. This week, we're talking about the lionfish,
Oh, yeah.
an invasive species that's really disrupting, a lot of marine ecosystems
Yeah,
and threatening native wildlife and the fish industry.
that's right. It's fascinating and concerning how such a beautiful creature
Yeah.
can become such a threat. The lionfish, with its bold stripes of crimson, cream, and chocolate,
Oh,
and
wow.
delicate lace-like fins,
It's a striking fish.
is native to the Indo-Pacific, but it's found its way to our waters,
Right.
and it's not playing nice.
Yeah, it's really a story of how actions can have unintended consequences.
Mm-hmm.
Theories suggest that the lionfish's arrival in the Atlantic
Mm-hmm.
likely started in the 1980s,
Okay.
possibly through accidental or even intentional releases from aquariums.
Oh.
It's almost unbelievable to think that a few released fish could lead to such a widespread problem.
What's particularly alarming is the lionfish's remarkable ability to reproduce. A
Mm.
single female can lay as many as 30,000 eggs every 4 days.
Wow, that's a lot.
These eggs are enclosed in buoyant sacs that travel with the currents, spreading
Mm.
them far and wide. To add to that, they mature within a year, meaning they can start reproducing very quickly.
So they're just pumping out babies all the time.
Yeah.
And the problem is magnified by the fact that in the Atlantic, the lionfish doesn't face the same predators it does in its native Indo-Pacific. This allows their population to grow unchecked,
Mhm.
creating a ripple effect throughout the entire ecosystem.
Exactly. This lack of natural predators combined with their rapid breeding cycle
Yeah.
has allowed them to become a dominant force in the Atlantic,
Hmm.
outcompeting native species and disrupting the delicate balance of the food web. And what we're learning is that their genetic diversity is also a factor in their success.
Hmm.
The Atlantic lionfish population didn't originate from a single release, but likely from multiple introductions.
Oh, wow.
This creates a diverse gene pool, making them highly adaptable to new environments.
So it's not just their numbers, but their adaptability that makes them such a formidable invasive species.
Yeah.
It's like they have a genetic advantage in these new waters.
That's precisely it. For example, research has shown variations in genes associated with their venom production and immune system,
Interesting.
which could contribute to their resilience and ability to thrive in a variety of conditions. This genetic diversity allows them to adapt more effectively to changes in temperature, salinity, and even prey availability.
That's really insightful. I never consider the role of specific genes in their invasion success.
Right.
Now, given their voracious appetite
Yes.
and lack of natural predators, what kind of impact are lionfish having on the existing marine life?
Their impact is substantial, particularly on coral reefs, which
Mhm.
are already facing numerous threats. Lionfish are indiscriminate eaters, consuming a wide array of smaller fish and invertebrates.
Yeah.
Many of these creatures play a vital role in maintaining the health of coral reefs.
Yeah.
For instance, they graze on algae, preventing it from overgrowing and suffocating the coral.
So by eating these algae grazers,
Yeah.
lionfish are indirectly contributing to the decline of coral reefs.
Yes, it's a chain reaction.
Oh, wow.
Fewer grazers mean more algae, which means less healthy coral.
Right.
This disruption cascades through the entire ecosystem,
Yeah.
impacting the fish that rely on the reef for food and shelter,
Mm-hmm.
and ultimately affecting the livelihoods of people who depend on healthy reefs for fishing and tourism.
It sounds like the consequences are far-reaching, extending beyond just the immediate impact on marine life.
Absolutely. The decline in fish stocks due to lionfish predation is a serious concern for commercial and recreational fisheries.
Mm-hmm.
In some areas, we've seen significant drops in the populations of important species like snapper and grouper,
Uh-huh.
which are not only ecologically important but also economically valuable.
Yeah.
This decline can impact the income of fishermen and the availability of seafood,
Right.
potentially affecting food security in some regions.
It's a stark reminder of how interconnected everything is within an ecosystem.
Yeah.
And how the introduction of a single species can throw things off balance with repercussions that extend to human communities.
Precisely. And the economic cost extends beyond just a fishing industry.
Yeah.
Deteriorating coral reefs can lead to a decline in tourism, affecting local economies that rely on the beauty and biodiversity of these underwater ecosystems.
It's a sobering thought. So given the scale of this problem,
Yeah.
what's being done to combat the lionfish invasion?
Yeah.
What strategies are proving effective?
There's no single magic bullet solution.
Okay.
but several approaches are being employed and some are showing promise. One of the most common and direct methods is spearfishing.
Okay.
It's a targeted approach that allows for the selective removal of lionfish, particularly in shallower waters where they are often found.
That seems logical, but what about lionfish in deeper waters? Is spearfishing a viable option there?
For deeper water removal, technology is coming into play. Researchers and engineers are developing remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, equipped with specialized tools for capturing lionfish.
That sounds fascinating. Can you tell us a bit more about these ROVs and how they work?
Certainly. One example is the Guardian LF-1,
Okay.
an ROV designed specifically for lionfish capture.
Okay.
It's equipped with 8 spear-like appendages that can be controlled remotely to impale and collect lionfish. These ROVs can operate at depths that are inaccessible to divers, allowing us to target lionfish in a wider range of habitats.
It's incredible how technology is being used to address ecological challenges like this.
Right.
Are there any other efforts, perhaps involving community participation?
Yes, community involvement is crucial.
Wow.
Many regions are organizing lionfish derbies and tournaments, which not only help remove large numbers of lionfish, but also raise awareness about the issue and encourage citizen science. These events bring together divers, fishermen, and volunteers to collect lionfish, with prizes awarded for the most catches or largest specimens.
It's encouraging to see communities coming together to address this problem.
Yeah.
Is there any evidence that these efforts are making a difference?
There are some promising signs.
No.
In certain areas where consistent and coordinated efforts have been implemented, there are indications that lionfish populations are stabilizing or even declining.
Wow.
But it's a long-term battle that requires ongoing commitment and collaboration.
So it's not a quick fix.
Right.
But persistent efforts are showing some positive results.
Yeah.
There's definitely a reason for hope. What are some other innovative solutions being explored to tackle the lionfish invasion? Are there ways to turn this challenge into an opportunity?
Absolutely.
Okay.
One of the most interesting developments is the growing movement to promote lionfish as a sustainable seafood choice.
Oh, that's interesting.
Lionfish meat is actually quite delicious with a mild flavor and firm texture.
That's a clever approach. By creating a market for lionfish, we could incentivize their removal and potentially turn a problem into a resource.
Exactly.
What kind of dishes are being created with lionfish?
Chefs are getting quite creative, incorporating lionfish into everything from ceviche and tacos to grilled fillets and even sushi. The possibilities are endless, and the more people develop a taste for lionfish, the greater the demand will be.
Right.
Which could drive more efforts to remove them from the ecosystem.
That's a win-win situation, both for the environment and for those who enjoy delicious and sustainable seafood.
Exactly.
It's encouraging to see how creative solutions are being employed to tackle this complex problem.
Right.
But it's clear that the lionfish invasion requires a multifaceted approach, combining scientific research, technological innovation, community involvement, and even culinary ingenuity.
You've hit the nail on the head. It's going to take a collective effort to manage this invasion and protect the delicate balance of our oceans. And it's not just about culinary solutions. Another innovative approach involves using lionfish in jewelry making.
Oh, wow.
Their spines and fins, once considered dangerous, are now being transformed into unique and beautiful pieces.
Interesting.
Further adding to the potential economic value of this invasive species.
That's an interesting way to utilize something that would otherwise be discarded.
Yeah.
It seems like every aspect of the lionfish is being explored for potential benefits.
Yeah.
Are there any other efforts focusing on biological control methods, perhaps involving natural predators?
That's an area of ongoing research.
Right.
Scientists are investigating whether native Atlantic predators like groupers or sharks can be encouraged to prey on lionfish.
Okay.
There have been some experiments to see if these predators can develop a taste for lionfish, potentially helping to control their numbers naturally.
So the idea is to try and reintroduce a predator-prey dynamic that's missing in this ecosystem.
Yeah.
What are the challenges involved in this approach?
One challenge is that many of these native predators have also been impacted by overfishing.
Right.
So their populations may not be large enough to effectively control lionfish.
Yeah.
Additionally, training or encouraging predators to target a specific prey can be a complex and time-consuming process, and there's no guarantee of success.
It sounds like a long shot, But if it works, it could be a more sustainable solution in the long run.
Exactly.
It's interesting how we're looking to nature itself to help solve this problem.
Mhm.
Are there any other natural factors that might play a role in managing the lionfish invasion?
Huh?
Perhaps something like disease or parasites?
That's another area of research.
Okay.
Scientists are studying lionfish to see if they are susceptible to any diseases or parasites that could help control their population.
Mm.
However, lionfish are generally quite hardy and have robust immune systems, so finding a natural pathogen that could effectively target them is a challenge.
It seems like we're exploring every avenue, from culinary delights to encouraging predators and even investigating potential diseases.
Yeah.
It's clear that managing this invasion requires a holistic approach,
Mm-hmm.
considering all possible solutions.
Exactly.
Are there any other aspects of this problem that we haven't touched upon?
One important factor to consider is climate change.
Mhm.
As ocean temperatures rise, lionfish habitats are likely to expand,
Mhm.
allowing them to invade new areas that were previously too cold for them.
So climate change could actually exacerbate the lionfish problem,
Yeah.
making it even more challenging to manage their spread.
That's a real concern. Warmer waters could also affect the reproductive rates of lionfish,
What do you-
potentially leading to even faster population growth.
Wow.
It's a reminder that the issue of invasive species is intertwined with the larger issue of climate change,
Yeah.
and that addressing both challenges is crucial for protecting the health of our oceans.
It's a sobering thought that one problem can compound another, creating a more complex challenge.
Yeah.
So given the scale of this issue and the potential for it to worsen with climate change, what can individuals do to help?
There are several ways to contribute.
Okay.
First and foremost, education is key.
Right.
Learn as much as you can about lionfish, their impact, and the efforts being made to control them. Share this knowledge with friends, family, and your community.
Spreading awareness is definitely a powerful tool. What about more hands-on approaches? Are there ways to get involved directly?
If you enjoy diving or fishing,
Hmm.
consider participating in lionfish derbies or becoming certified to spearfish lionfish.
Okay.
These activities not only help remove lionfish from the ecosystem,
Mm-hmm.
but also provide valuable data for researchers.
So it's a way to contribute directly to the solution while enjoying a recreational activity.
Right.
What about for those who aren't divers or fishermen? Are there other ways to make a difference?
Absolutely. Supporting organizations that are working to combat the lionfish invasion is another important way to contribute.
Okay.
Many of these groups rely on donations to fund their research, removal efforts, and educational programs.
So even a small donation can make a difference in supporting those on the front lines of this battle.
Yes.
What about everyday choices? Are there things we can do in our daily lives to help address this issue?
One simple but effective action is to choose sustainable seafood.
Okay.
When you're at the grocery store or a restaurant, opt for seafood that has been caught or farmed responsibly.
So by being mindful of our seafood choices, we can support practices that protect marine ecosystems, including those impacted by lionfish.
Exactly. And don't underestimate the power of your voice.
Mm.
Advocate for policies that promote responsible aquarium ownership,
Okay.
ballast water management, and climate change mitigation.
Yeah.
These are all crucial steps in preventing the introduction and spread of invasive species.
It sounds like we all have a role to play, whether it's through education, direct action supporting organizations, or advocating for policy changes.
Yeah.
It's about recognizing that our choices, both big and small,
Yeah.
can have an impact on the health of our oceans.
That's a crucial point.
Yeah.
Every action counts, and when we work together, we can make a real difference in protecting our marine environment.
It's a reminder that even in the face of daunting challenges like the lionfish invasion,
Yeah.
there's always hope and the potential for positive change. It's about harnessing our collective knowledge, ingenuity, and determination to find solutions and ensure a healthy future for our oceans.
And it's fascinating how this issue has brought together diverse groups of people, from
Yes.
scientists and engineers to chefs and jewelry makers. It's a testament to our collective desire to protect our planet and find creative solutions to the challenges we face.
It's inspiring to see how human ingenuity and collaboration can be mobilized to address ecological problems. It gives me hope that we can overcome even the most complex challenges if we work together. But let's delve a bit deeper into the science behind this invasion.
Okay.
What have researchers discovered about the lionfish's biology and genetics that might help us understand their success as invaders?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
One of the most intriguing areas of research is the study of lionfish venom.
Oh, interesting.
Scientists have discovered that lionfish venom is a complex cocktail of proteins,
Okay.
some of which have unique properties that could have potential applications in medicine.
So something that is harmful in one context could actually have beneficial applications in another.
Right.
Can you elaborate on the potential medical uses of lionfish venom?
Researchers are exploring the possibility of using lionfish venom to develop new pain medications.
Wow.
Some components of the venom have shown promise in blocking pain signals,
Okay.
and there's even early research suggesting that certain venom proteins could have anti-cancer properties.
That's remarkable. It's amazing how something we perceive as dangerous
Mm.
could hold the key to medical breakthroughs. It just goes to show that nature is full of surprises,
Hmm.
and that even in the face of adversity, we can find opportunities for innovation and discovery.
Absolutely. The study of lionfish venom is just one example of how scientific research can lead to unexpected and beneficial outcomes.
Right.
It's a reminder that even the most challenging problems can inspire innovation and progress.
It's incredible how exploring one problem can lead to potential solutions in seemingly unrelated fields.
Hmm.
It really highlights the interconnectedness of scientific knowledge.
Exactly. And the research on lionfish genetics is another area where scientists are making fascinating discoveries. They're trying to unravel the secrets behind the lionfish's remarkable adaptability and invasive success.
What kind of insights are they gaining from studying lionfish genetics?
By analyzing the lionfish genome, scientists are identifying genes that contribute to their rapid growth, efficient reproduction, and ability to tolerate a wide range of environmental conditions.
Okay.
Understanding these genetic mechanisms could provide valuable insights for managing not only lionfish, but other invasive species as well.
So the knowledge gained from studying one invasive species could have implications for addressing the broader problem of invasive species worldwide.
Precisely. It's about using a multidisciplinary approach, combining genetics, ecology, and even social sciences to develop effective strategies for preventing and managing invasions.
It's clear that science plays a crucial role in this fight, but science alone can't solve the problem.
Right.
We need to consider cultural perspectives as well. It's interesting how the perception of a species can change so dramatically depending on its context.
That's a great point. In their native Indo-Pacific, lionfish are often seen as symbols of beauty and elegance. They are a natural part of the ecosystem, their populations kept in check by predators and other environmental factors.
But in the Atlantic, where they lack natural predators, they become a symbol of ecological disruption and economic hardship.
It's a reminder that our perception of nature is often shaped by our experiences and the impacts, positive or negative, that species have on our lives.
This shift in perception also highlights the importance of education and outreach. We need to raise awareness about invasive species, the threats they pose, and the steps we can take to prevent their spread.
Absolutely. Public awareness is crucial for fostering a sense of responsibility and empowering individuals to become part of the solution.
And it's encouraging to see how communities are turning the lionfish invasion into an opportunity for creativity and innovation. We've talked about the culinary and jewelry making initiatives, but are there other examples of this resourcefulness?
Yes, some communities are exploring the use of lionfish in educational programs.
Oh, wait.
They're incorporating lionfish dissections into school curricula to teach students about anatomy, ecology, and the importance of conservation.
That's a great way to engage young people and inspire the next generation of scientists and conservationists.
It's about turning a negative situation into a learning opportunity and empowering communities to take ownership of the problem.
And we shouldn't forget the role of technology in managing this invasion. From remotely operated vehicles that can reach deep water lionfish populations to advances in genetic research technology is providing new tools and insights.
These technological advancements are expanding our capabilities and giving us new ways to monitor, control, and understand invasive species.
Yeah.
They are essential for developing more effective and sustainable solutions.
It's inspiring to see how human ingenuity is being applied to address this challenge. It's a reminder that even in the face of ecological adversity, there's always hope and the potential for positive change.
The lionfish invasion is a complex problem, but it's also a story of resilience, innovation, and collaboration. It highlights the interconnectedness of our planet and the importance of working together to protect its biodiversity.
As we conclude our exploration of the lionfish invasion, it's clear that this is an ongoing battle that requires a multifaceted approach.
Right.
We need to continue to invest in research, promote education and outreach, encourage community involvement, and embrace innovative solutions.
And it's crucial to remember that each one of us can play a role in addressing this challenge. Whether it's through our choices as consumers, our support for conservation organizations, or our advocacy for responsible policies, every action counts.
The fight against the lionfish invasion is not just about protecting a single species or a single ecosystem. It's about safeguarding the health of our oceans and the well-being of future generations. It's a reminder that we are all stewards of this planet and that our actions have consequences.
By working together, embracing innovation, and remaining committed to conservation, we can make a difference. The future of our oceans, and indeed our planet, depends on it.
Thank you for joining us this week on Saltwater Stories. And to our listeners, we hope you found this exploration of the lionfish invasion informative and inspiring. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay curious, stay engaged, and stay hopeful. The ocean needs our help, and together we can make a difference.